took to running with a traveling man. Left her mama crying with her head in her hands. Such a sad case, so broken hearted. She said, Mama, gotta go, gotta get out of here, gotta get out of town, tired of hanging around. I gotta roll on between the ditches. Just an ordinary story about the way things go. Round and around, nobody knows, but the highway goes on forever. That old highway rolls on forever. Oh, she never would have done it if she hadn't got drunk, if she hadn't started running with a traveling man, if she hadn't started taking those crazy chances. She said, daughter, let me tell you about the traveling kind. Everywhere he's going such a very short time, he'll be long gone before you know it. He'll be long gone before you know it. She said, never have I known him when it felt so good. Never have I known him when I knew I could. Never have I done him when it looked so right. Leaving Louisiana in the broad daylight. Down in the swampland, anything goes. Alligator bait and the bars don't close. It's a real thing down Louisiana. Did you ever see a Cajun when he really got mad, when he really got trouble, like a daughter gone bad? It gets real hot down Louisiana. Stranger better move it or he's gonna get killed. He's gonna have to get it or a shotgun will. It ain't no time for any speeches. There ain't no time for any speeches. She said, never have I known him when it felt so good. Never have I known him when I knew I could. Never have I done him when it looked so right. Leaving Louisiana in the broad daylight. She said, never have I known him when it felt so good. Never have I known him when I knew I could. Never have I done him when it looked so right. Leaving Louisiana in the broad daylight. Just an ordinary story about the way things go. Round and around, nobody knows, but the highway goes on forever.